Suppose you were listening to your weekend songs and suddenly this happens.
Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
I know, if you like weekend, you will also rage. What if I tell you, you can listen to your weekend songs without any ads and free of course. In the very next few minutes, I'll show you how to make your Spotify ad free forever. But first, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and spoilers ahead. There's a bonus surprise waiting for you at the end of this video. So stick around, trust me, you'll want to say this. First of all, you need to have Spotify, spicetify CLI installed from AUR. I'm using Ye, but you are free to use Snap or Paru. Basically anything which can install from AUR. Let it install, then we'll go to next step. Now open Spotify and log in. After logging in, this is what you will be greeted with. Now just close the Spotify and open the terminal. I know, it's scary, but trust me, it's way simpler. Now open a browser and type spicetify.app and press install now. I'll be installing for Linux. So I'll just grab this link. Here's a copy button. Copy and paste here. Now press enter. Wait for it to install. And it's asking me, do you want to install Spicetify Marketplace? Heck yeah. Downloading Marketplace. Now you have to write Spicetify backup apply here and enter. Wait for it to spice up Spotify. Spotify spiced up. Now close the terminal, close the browser and launch Spotify. You'll see a shopping cart icon over there. If you can't, that means you have messed up somewhere. I highly encourage you to rewatch the video. This time, do not skip a step. If you do, you will mess something up and it will not work. Press this. You will find multiple extensions over here which are very helpful and useful. But in this video, we will be covering Adblock plus Spoof Premium. Press install. Reload now. And voila! No ads. Remember when I said you, there is a bonus surprise waiting for you at the end of this video. It's time! You can customize Spotify as you like. Just head over to the marketplace. There you will find the theme section. You can see that there are a bunch of themes which you can just apply. I really like the One Punch theme, so I'll install it and head over to home. It looks pretty. Thanks a million for sticking around till the very end. You're truly awesome. If you have made this far, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing. I'm dropping fresh content regularly. So until then, peace out.